how to import contacts, create custom fields, and bulk actions inside the Go High Level platform. So first, for import contacts, navigate to contacts, click the import contacts, select the contacts, click next, upload the CSV file, create next, then this is the mapping area where you map the fields inside the column. For example, this one. Then after you finish this one, click start bulk import. How to create the custom fields inside the Go High Level. Navigate to settings, look for custom fields, click add field, select a field you want to add, for example this one, fill in the fields, and then click save. For bulk contact actions, navigate to contacts, click more filters, apply to narrow down your audiences, select checkboxes next to your contacts. Lastly, choose the bulk action button.